Hello, Michael Tioli here, the film composer learning to play the tuba, and today I encountered something kind of interesting that I'm trying to figure out. So I was going to make this cool Halloween video for you when, for some reason, I'm getting this weird, almost like record skipping sensation with the tuba. Can you hear that? It sounds like a bubbling. Ugh, sounds like there's water in there. The first thing I would think to do is to empty the spit valve. That's normal. Spit valve's right here. I'm gonna do that right here. I do have a trash down there, but I'm still getting it. So let's see if we can get to the bottom of this. The first thing I'm gonna do is remove these, remove these slides. I'm gonna blow through them. This might be kind of gross. So I looked it up online, and one thing that ChatGPT is telling me is that moisture can get stuck in weird places in the tuba that wouldn't necessarily come out of the spit valve. So it's telling me to put it at different angles, trying to get some of that out. It's having me take out the slides. I took this one out, kind of blowing through it. So I'm gonna put this slide back. Let's see. Try this one. And then the spit valve. Put this back. Those are kind of all the places that I could think to open except the valves themselves. See if that made any difference. Still getting that. Pull the slides out one by one and blow through each section. I did that. Tip the horn in different directions. Bell up, bell down. Oh, while blowing some air through the lead pipe. That's a little better. I didn't think that did anything, but actually it's a little better. I didn't see any spit come out or any water come out, but now all of a sudden, that's quite a bit better. All right. Thanks, ChatGPT.